I am Reena Joseph, Assistant Professor in English Department at Bishop Speechley College for Advanced Studies, Pallam. Today, I stand before you to introduce the first SEM students of MG University to the text Fine Tune Your English. A small session dealt with in Chapter 11, that is Understanding Pronouns, is what I have brought before you. Understanding pronouns. You all have learned that pronouns are words which substitute or take the place of a noun in a sentence. Say, for example, you have this very short sentence: Arun went for a walk he met his friend. In this sentence, you can see that Arun is the noun. Now, when I use the second sentence, instead of Arun, I have used the word he. So, he is a substitute which we use instead of Arun. Thereby, we call it as pronoun. I hope that part is clear for you. Here are certain points which you should keep in your mind when you think of pronouns. The very first being, pronouns always have a noun reference. That means there should be a noun to which we are specifically pointing the pronoun at. Say, for example, the sentence, Maya met her family. So here, her is a pronoun, as we all are very familiar with. This word is referring to the noun Maya. So we have a noun here as well as the pronoun which is referring to the noun. Now, the second point that you should keep in your mind is pronoun is a closed group. It means that you don't have any new words added into the category of pronouns in English language. So, they are a closed group. The third point to be kept in mind is that pronouns always maintain a subject-verb agreement in terms of number and gender. That is, if I am using say, for example, you have the sentence, Mohan loves fried chicken and he visits KFC regularly. Now there, the subject is just one individual, Mohan. So you have used the pronoun he in the following sentence. If I use two nouns in place of the subject, say for example, Mohan and Minnie love fried chicken, then I have to use they visit KFC regularly. I hope that part is clear for you. The fourth point that you should keep in your mind is that we never use apostrophe in a pronoun. look at these words which I have written over here. It's and it's again. But the first one, it's, is used as a pronoun, and the second one is actually the short form of it is. I hope that's clear for you. The fifth point that you should keep in your mind is no noun is used after a pronoun. Say for example, look at the sentences that's given here. This is my cat. Here, this is actually a pronoun. And my, you may think is a pronoun, but it's not actually a pronoun because you have a noun cat which is coming after the word. So this becomes adjective. Okay, since you have the noun over here. Now in the second sentence, this cat is mine. Here, this cat becomes adjective and mine here becomes the pronoun. I hope it's clear for you. So whenever you come across the word pronoun, keep these 5 points in your mind. It will definitely help you to write and frame good English sentences using pronoun. Thank you all.